Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight.
Yo, good morning. Give me just a second, chat. I'm just working on getting everything shared out here. Right. Al, good morning. Off the ground. Sorry for being late. You can start now. Up in here. Let's go. Welcome. G-Man, good morning. Ben, can we start off Thursday just dropping likes on the stream real quick? Like, can we just already just have likes on the stream? Just take your little thumbs. You know, if you're watching on a phone, just take your thumb, smash that like button. If you're watching on a computer, grab your mouse. Just one little click. Smash that like button. Would help me out a ton. I would greatly appreciate that. Looking at news, we had jobless claims earlier this morning. At 9 o'clock, we really don't have anything. We just have some Feds members speaking later today. But outside of that, no, not really any news later today. Josh, good morning. Off the ground, appreciate you. Thank you for punching the like. I hope you didn't break a screen or anything. Appreciate you. Bam, market is open in 5 seconds. Reset, good morning, fam. We're already starting the day off good with a little tropical Celsius in hand. Hashtag Celsius. I need a sponsorship like ASAP because I drink these all the time and they're always on my stream. So I feel like I should be sponsored by Celsius. A little bit of sellers coming out the gate here to open. We're under VWAP here, trading 753. Really looking at, you know, if we catch some sellers in the building, really looking at this here. See how we react down here. This low here will also be, what is that, Tuesday's initial balance high? Or Wednesday? You know, Tuesday. Tuesday's initial balance high. So that'll be something we're watching for there. So far, sellers are driving us down, potentially coming down in the 700s here. Coming down to the 700s. Let's take a quick little photo, huh? For the stories. Yeah, chat? Hold on. Here we go. Oh, we got to throw a photo up on Twitter or X. Chat, do y'all call it X or Twitter? What do y'all call it? I'm so used to Twitter that I still say Twitter. Still say Twitter, both. Mr. Bond. Good morning. Twitter and I left X. Okay. Okay. Oh, we gotta get this up in the stories. Here we go. We're up. Stories are up. Chat, nothing is verified if it's not on the Instagram stories. That's the only way things are verified. A little bit of buyers here. Bringing us back up to the VWAPski. Decent buyers. About a 30-point buy up. See how we do. We got to be a little patient today, chat. It could be somewhat of a choppy day, given the fact that we don't have any news. So we got to really be patient, picky, be cool with taking profits, all while having proper stop losses and killing trades when we need to. Naif, good morning. Man, my boy Tesla is getting beat up. Trading 370. Nvidia trying to recover a little. So let's trade a VWAP here. And plug in my phone, chat. I'm on 1%. You can't do $1 million deals when your phone is dead. I love how I post a picture to X chat of my setup saying I'm ready to make a $1.5 billion. And the very first comment on that picture is somebody telling me to manage my wires. Chad, I'm not gonna lie, I need help. I need cable management help. I am absolutely horrible at cable management. All right, just kind of consolidating here. Not really doing a whole lot. On the 1 minute, looks like sellers might potentially be stepping back in here. Trading 759, 760s. We are trading my Tradeify accounts today. Code JM, get 30% off straight to fundeds. And 30% off everything else. But yeah, 30% off. So far, this is one big chop fest. Nothing really happening. The trading guy. Good morning. Good morning. A little retest of VWAP here. Nothing to really do here, guys. Nothing to really do. Right now, we're just trying to chopping around. Middle of the range. No clear direction. We wait. We wait. Chat, I'm glad I looked at my Tradeivate chart and realized that I was on NQ and not MNQ because I had about 3 contracts per account ready to fire off when I take a trade. It's a good thing I double checked that. Bob Decker, good morning. Trying to get a little buyers here. Gotta get above VWAP, get above what is this? 782. Still just chopping around. Chat, if you have not already, be sure to smash that like button. Helps me out a ton, helps the YouTube algo. Push your boy a little bit. Do me a favor, smash that like button. Also, smash a like button if you're going to have a green day today. If you're going to have a green day today, you got to smash a like button. It's the only way. It's the only way you have a green day. Similar PA to yesterday at start. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty choppy. Very indecisive. We also don't have any news today. So that's something to be aware of. There's no news coming up. We had jobless claims earlier this morning, but the rest of the day doesn't really have any news. So it could be a choppy day. Chat, do y'all like having Bookmap up here on the screen? Or should I take it off? Hold on, let's look. Off? Or on? Off? Or on? We'll keep it on like this. But on this... Wait. On this... Oh, that was me. Off or on? Junior says, the fuck is Bookmap? On learning how. Okay, cool. We'll keep it on. While we wait on trade, this Junior is Bookmap. Doesn't it look pretty? A little bit of buyers here. Junior just tells me where liquidity is sitting. I can see on the right side here, all these numbers tells me how many contracts are sitting at certain areas. Looks confusing. It's really not confusing when you break it down. Like I can see the price levels here. These bubbles are where price is. The larger the bubble, the bigger, the more volume is being conducted there. So there's more volume being conducted if the bubbles are larger. Here it's kind of like a DOM. It's like reading level 2, right? Where I have contract sizes at certain prices where I can see where like higher liquidity is sitting, like up here at 830, right? This orange, where this orange square is, I can see 33 contracts sitting there. But these lines that you see, the darker the color, the more liquidity that's sitting there, right? And anybody above price are sellers, anybody below price are buyers. Just gives me an idea, context around the market. And look at these buyers, chat. Look at the buyers. Yeah, Bookmap's not really confusing. I mean, it looks confusing off first like sight, you know. But it's really not once you break it down. So I can add it regardless of what strategy. I mean, yeah, you can add it. Again, it's just like reading level 2, right? That's just really what it is. It's just reading level 2, like reading a DOM. But Bookmap just visualizes it more so for you. It makes it more visual. Currently on the long trade, once ACPO sent. Dope. Dope. I missed it. Talking about Bookmap. Maybe we get a re-entry here. Let's see if we get a re-entry. Oh, buyers taking us back up. I'd like a little bit of a pullback, ideally down to like, 88. I thought I was going to get it on this pullback that we just had, but buyers are stepping back in and taking us higher. What up, Bo? Good morning. Here come a little more sellers. I'm watching the 1 minute chart on my other screen, trying to find a good entry point to get in. I like to get in long. Also, with sellers coming in like this, I also wonder if we're going to actually come back to VWAP. Gold showed love. Let's go. Love to see that. Is Bookmap is its own software, but you got to go to Bookmap's website. Bookmap is its own software program, which you do have to pay for. All right, so we are getting some more sellers here. I almost wonder if we come to VWAP at this point. Heavy selling. Oh. We did come back to VWAP. Well, just above it. It'd have been nice to catch a long off VWAP, honestly. That'd been really nice. Yep, buyers kind of stepping back in here. Yeah, I missed that entry. I should have pulled the trigger. I wanted to pull the trigger at 88, but then we got heavy and started coming to VWAP. So I really wanted us to actually test VWAP. We stopped just short of it, but that's okay. Missed entry. Part of it. Definitely wanted that though. That would have 100% been the long. Would have given me my... Would have given me about 22 points. Can you reset the practice account on Top Step X? I have no idea. Not a clue. Buyers are sending us back up. Missed that entry. Holy moly. Holy moly, chat. Did we miss an entry? Initial balance is still relatively small. We're trying to push it higher here, but our initial balance range is still pretty small. Not even 100 points. And higher we go. Coming up into resistance here. See how we react there. So far, seller is trying to bring us down a little bit. As choppy as price seems, I'm not opposed to seeing about a short up here. We do have liquidity higher. Stacking a little bit. We are coming back down below the previous high here. Oh. Sellers coming back to bring us back down. Potentially coming right back down to VWAP. Chat, this is one of those days where you see profit, you take profit. Don't go for home run trades. Today is like it's super choppy. We're just chopping. Not getting any real breakout moves or any trend. Ismail, good morning. Well, chat, while we wait for a trade to set up here, I'm going to just go over something real quick. If you go to tradewithjoey.com, links in the description, go to the giveaways tab. We are doing a giveaway for a Take Profit account. Just watch the video on how to enter, fill out the form, and click submit. Be sure if you're not in Discord to click join Discord and be in Discord because I will announce the winners there. We might also announce them on stream at some point. I don't really know. But be sure to join Discord, as I'll probably tag or put the winners in Discord. So be sure to do that. Also, there is a free day trading course. If you guys want to check it out. I just added actually a video on Bookmap that you see right here. I just added a video here. Oh wait, y'all can't even see. Oh, yeah, you can. Okay, perfect. Yeah, Bookmap. Just added a video here on how to use it. There's also a free mastermind class that I did around initial balance strategy. Definitely check out the site. There's some good resources, prop firm deals, best prop firm deals you can get right now. Take Profit, Tradeify, Tick. Be sure to check those out. But yeah, if you want to get entered for the giveaway, tradewithjoey.com, free Take Profit account. Also, all you got to do is enter once too. Like if you've already entered, you're entered. If you do it multiple times, it's not going to give you multiple entries. In my website, it'll only show me like the names of people who have just recently entered. So it'll only do it one time. So you don't have to do it multiple times. All right, kind of just chopping around here, trying to make a decision whether we want to come back down or if we want to try to hold up. Chances are, it looks to me like we are going to come back down. Probably retest VWAP 776. On a second retest of VWAP like that, I'd imagine we push through it. Looking like that's going to be the case. Back down to VWAP. We pushed through VWAP a little bit, but then caught a little bit of a bounce here. Seeing if we hold above VWAP or if we continue to move lower here. Man, it is choppy. Choppy. We have London highs up here. London highs at 829. Kind of to be expected, given that we have no news. Sellers coming back through here. Looking like we're going to go through VWAP now. All right, getting through VWAP. Still trying to hold it. Hang on just a second, chat. Be right back. All right. Shitty PA, yeah, it's pretty bad. Pretty bad. It's just super choppy. We're not really doing a whole lot. I mean, we're doing absolutely nothing. Nothing. Buyer's trying to send us back up here, though. Just need a move. Need a move. No trades yet. Just waiting. We haven't really done anything. Just trying to be patient. Look at the Mag 7 chat. I'm gonna turn my camera off for a second. But look at the Mag 7. I mean, we're flat. Like, Nvidia is only up 0.8%. Tesla's down 3.5, but Amazon only 0.3, Microsoft 0.7, Google 0.9, Apple 0.18, Meta 1%. Like, it's just everything is flat. It's just nothing's happening. We're hanging out at VWAP. No clear direction. I mean, look at Bookmap. Here, let's go to... Look at the order book here, chat. I mean, we're sitting in like 16, 15s. Like, there's no... Like, these darker lines represent heavier liquidity. Look at... There's just no liquidity lower. Barely any liquidity higher. There's just nothing happening. This is a dead market. Dead market. There's some volume coming through a little bit on the buy side. A little bit of volume coming through on the buy side there. What up, Mickey? Chat, any of y'all taking any trades? Are y'all trading this right now? Being patient. Smart. Bo locked your account after Asia. Nice. Nice. Just practice way too choppy for my combine. Yeah, I hear you. Smart, smart, smart. I mean, nothing to really do with this. The question is it a day to go outside and touch grass? The problem with that is it's wintertime and all my grass is dead. So there's no grass to touch. But do we go outside? Short of gold instead, not done for the day. Nice. Love that. Get a little bit of buyer stepping in here. 1 minute looks pretty good. All right, getting some good strong buyers here. Really strong buyers. That bounce. The 1 minute chart was actually kind of telling that story. I just wasn't entirely sold on it yet. I mean, you can see it on the 1 minute pretty clearly. Us unable to move forward here on the VWAP, wicking out of all of it and getting these buyers pushing us up. I mean, the 1 minute chart really told this buy up here. It was clear as day. I just wasn't entirely sold and wanted to take it. But man, are we ripping? Holy moly, are we ripping, bro? What happened? Something happened, chat. Was there news that came out? Nvidia bounce? Yeah, I see that. Nvidia caught a strong bounce. All right, watching this 1 minute chart here. If we can get a pullback to give us a decent entry, I'm going to take it. Take it long. I don't want to chase it at the highs up here, especially since we have London high up here as well, right? Let's see. Yeah, this is London's high. So I don't want to chase it near all these highs. I really want a better entry. Yeah, I saw Trump's peace plan for the Ukraine. It got leaked by Daily Mail. That could be what this reaction is, chat. It could be a reaction to that. Because we went from mega choppy to doing nothing to absolutely ripping into oblivion. So that's probably what it is. We're getting ready to snap London high. London high is getting ready to be taken out. Yeah, I imagine that was a reaction to this right here. Trump's peace plan for Ukraine is leaked by the Daily Mail. That's what that looks like. We have about 55, 58 orders sitting up at 850 to 852. Something to watch for. We're looking like we may go up and grab that. London high is taken out. Have I seen Leo's new day traders platform? I have, yeah. I've looked at it a couple times. I saw the trading platform as well, yeah. Not the best yet. No, it's not great. I know it's new, and it's going to be a work in progress, and he's working on it. So we'll see. I'm more so curious about the lawsuits up between him and Apex. Every order requires confirmation. Yeah, that's annoying. I couldn't do that. You can't turn it off. I get why that's in place, like accidental orders type thing, but like it should be something that you should be able to turn off. No option to turn it off. That's crazy. And annoying. All right, if this was a news reaction, I wonder if we overreacted and we come back down. Just keep in mind, this was a choppy day. So I wonder if the overreaction kind of chills out. Take a look at some other levels here. I mean, no real level until we get to like 866 where we could possibly run into resistance. $866 could present a problem if we get up there. Still trying to move higher. Chat, I'm gonna take a short stab here. I'm in 3 micros. Nothing heavy. But I'm gonna take a short stab here. Stop at the highs. Not risking a whole lot. Risking about $70. I got a buy order set at the highs up there at 844. Might get stopped out though. Looking pretty strong here. Yep, stopped out. Worth a shot. Didn't risk a whole lot. Took a small position. We only risked about $70 on that trade. But we are moving higher. I thought maybe we would get a retest and a break back below London low. That's really what I was aiming for, was it getting back below London low. But we did end up holding it to push a new high on the 1 minute. And looking like sellers might try to come back down again after taking me out. Love that. Love it. All right, chat, I'm re-short. I'm taking this short stab again. One more time. Trying to get back below London low. Oh, chat, y'all can't see my screen. Hold on. My bad. Y'all can't see that. There you go. We are short one more time. We're about 20, almost 20 points in profit here. Gonna try to hold on to this. I really want a deeper move. I feel like this is just an overreaction. I want a deeper move. I'm not gonna move my stop to break even yet. I'm gonna put my stop just below the high though. So just below the high, that's where my stop is. Yeah, there's 162 orders sitting up at 850. I don't like that at all for my position here, because we probably are going to go grab that. Those orders just came in. It's not good. Not good for my short here. Need sellers to push us down here. Come on, give me that move. If we can pop this, I'll move stop pretty much to where we are now in price. I really want us to pop 820. There we go. All right, I'm moving my stop down a lot. All right, my stop's at 824. So we're in profit now. I'm gonna keep holding this, letting it ride. Just trailing now. Stop at 811. Stop now at 805. Stop now at 197. Or sorry, 797. Chilling tightly now, 796 is my stop. Might get tapped here. All right, tapped out there. Bang, bang. Hold on. If my money gun was loaded, if I had my money gun loaded up right now, I'd be letting it fly. Oh, baby, I'd be letting it fly. I'm gonna stop clapping now. What a short. Chat, I told you. Overreaction. That's what that felt like. It was an overreaction to news. And that's why I shorted it. Unfortunately, the first one didn't work out the way I wanted it to. But we re-entered. On to the next. Applause. Yeah. Big Short. Your endorphins are pumping now. I'm not sure what that means. My endorphins? It was just a good trade. We give a round of applause for good trades. Chat, you acknowledge your wins. I'm sorry, but it's okay to acknowledge your wins. Acknowledge that shit and fucking own it. You know what I mean? I'm not on a high. I'm sitting back. I'm chilling. You acknowledge your fucking wins, though. That's what. I mean, shit. As a trader, acknowledge your wins. I tell my mentorship people that all the time too. Acknowledge your fucking wins. Or you break keyboards with the losses. Yeah. Yeah. Get some more buyers here. We have a little bit of liquidity stacking up at 820. Off the ground says, hell yes, I win. That's what you gotta do, man. Just gotta fucking win. Just gotta win. Pull back and go down more. We could. I mean, we're right back into... Here, let me go back to trading view here. I mean, we're right back to VWAP. So, there's... I mean, we're right back to the chop that we were experiencing before news came out and ripped us higher. We're just right back to that. Back to VWAP. Now the question is are we actually going to push VWAP and push through it, or are we going to hold it and bounce off of it? Because we've been trying to push a VWAP all morning and hold below it. And there we go. Barely pushed through VWAP and bounced out of it. Chat, we're right back to the chop. We're right back to the choppiness. Back from where we started. Trading 789, holding right above VWAP. Chat, if you haven't already, smash that like button. I think that short position deserves a like on the stream. If we could smash that like button, that'd be great. I also heard that if you smash a like button, it's good luck for you to have a green day. That's just word on the street. I don't know. I heard it's true, so I would make sure to do that. That day traders platform is heavy. It's slowing down my computer. Sheesh. I imagine that it's not going to do very well then. Buyers coming back through again off of VWAP, bro. That VWAP is just relentless. We just cannot go below VWAP and hold it. How much is Bookmap per month? I think like 40, 45, something like that. I pay a little more just because I have level 2 data actually through Bookmap itself. So I think I pay like 80 something or something like that. Oh, right back to the chop chat. Unreal. Unreal. Trading 800s, kind of just bouncing around here in the 800 level, seeing if we want to hold 800s or if we're going to come back below. Getting a little bit of a bounce again. Buyers look decent. We have liquidity stacking higher again. Looking like 850. Got some liquidity trying to stack up there. 850, that's where that 162 orders were earlier when I was in that short position. So that's a pretty key level. I mean, that's IB high and high on the day. So That 850 level is interesting. Oh, buyers are trying to send us back up here. Potentially going back to IBI. IBI looks like it's in play. Once again, VWAP prevails. I move back up to the highs. We are retesting London high. Holy moly. Oh my god. What just happened? Chat? Holy shit. Wonder who got smoked off of that. What the hell? Got out of the tray right before that happened. GG's. Damn. Chat. What just happened? Holy shit. 835 down to 758. 80 points? Just like that? Roller coaster? Hell yeah, it's a roller coaster. Something happened, chat. That's 100% news. We got to find it. That can't be... Huh. Wowzers. $10,000 plus on 12 MNQ. Sheesh. Holy moly. What a day, chat. What a day. The market is very emotional today. Very bipolar. All right, let's see if any news headline came out. Still nothing. Surely it wasn't delayed reaction to this, right? Because this was at 9:24. This news here was 9:24. Was up 1K to end negative 300 on the drop. Yeah. That's one of those things that this is one of those moves you just can't predict. You just cannot predict that type of thing. There was probably a ton of slippage too on stop losses, guaranteed. There was probably like 10 points of slippage on stops. At least. Yeah, okay, so yeah, there was. Yeah, I imagine so. I mean, a move like that usually causes slippage. Whatever it was, whatever happened, the market did not like it. That's for sure. But there's nothing coming over the wire right now. There's a White House press conference. Did I miss something? No significant headline is dropped, so I don't really know. It's 100% news related, but no, there hasn't been a headline drop yet, so I don't know what it would have been. Possibly trying to move lower here. Getting some large selling orders coming through. You can see some large selling volume coming through here. Looking like we go lower. Possibly coming down to IB low. IB low is sitting at 739. Wait, no, sorry, 737 ish. Wait, what is this? Oh wait, IB low is sitting at 738. So looking like we come down to IB low here. Chaz, moves like that make me want to just be done with trading today. I mean, real talk. I don't know that I want to be in a position and that happen. So we may call it a trading day, chat. I'm gonna be happy with that short and call it a trading day. Let the market digest whatever's happening in the world right now. Come back later. See if we can catch some more trades later today. But we may call it a morning. We're coming up about 10 minutes from 10 o'clock is usually when I call it on trading anyways. So we may just call it just 10 minutes early today. Well, that's it, fam. Hope you guys be safe. Yeah, we're going to call it. Fam, don't forget, we are doing a giveaway on my website. All you got to do is go to tradewithjoey.com, link in the description, fill out the form, enter for a Take Profit account giveaway. Winner will be announced in Discord, so be sure to make sure you are in Discord. With that said, Tradeify is running 30% off. Use code JM, Take Profit, code JM. All the prop firms, code JM, except for My Fund and Futures and Top Step. Bam. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day.